19, the Creator's Spark. In each one of you, there is a spark of the Creator, so kindle it through self-development. You were originally created by nature as perfection itself, even taking into account your failings, which all of us have. Choose your reality as a perfect being and create yourself. So this is really where my life started to truly shift as a reality transurfer. For a long time, I thought success was about me creating outside of myself, which is a big part of it. It is great to be creative, to build businesses, to gain degrees and educate yourself and be productive externally, most certainly. But there is also a huge power in creating yourself, building yourself up, both with your self-development and your knowledge of things like reality transurfing, how to formulate a very beneficial world view for yourself that helps you along your script. So, have you been practicing too much external creation? And maybe is it time to focus a little more inwardly and really start creating and building yourself as a person, really developing your skills, developing a positive way of thinking, a positive way of viewing the world. Sharpen your skill at highlighting a sector of reality that is most beneficial for you and your intentions. So this is really where sparking that fire inside of yourself to become creative in creating your own reality for yourself. This is just as much powerful as creating externally. This is you creating you, and you creating you, ultimately helping you navigate yourself to a much more beautiful and fulfilling version of reality for yourself. Stay tuned to 20 Dictates of Power.